Assalamu alaikum, namaste and vanakkam. Welcome back to my channel. Alright guys, so we are going out on a long drive after a very long time. Anvarjan just called up and he said they are coming here, and Ayan and I are getting ready. Ayan is getting ready inside, so I quickly thought I will also get ready. And also after this I need to pack lunchbox for Ayan and Prince, so let's quickly get ready, pack and start because they have already started and they are on their way. Now first thing, I need to wash my face, for which obviously I am using Derma Vibes Hydra Cleanser. This has colloidal oatmeal in it guys, and it is extremely good for our skin. It maintains the pH balance. So yeah, let's quickly get started. So now that I've cleansed my face, let me quickly put my hair aside. Actually, I should have done this before washing my face anyway. Now I'm going to moisturize my face, for which I'm going to use Nutriderm's Vitamin E Lotion. And this has vitamin E and this works great as a primer before makeup. So now I'm just going to take little and apply it all throughout my face. And I've mentioned this several times that I have dry skin around my mouth, around my nose and also under my eyes. So that is where I'm going to focus more. And I'm still thinking about you. Alright, my face is all soft and supple. Let's quickly get on to eyebrows and lips. Okay, so these products have become my go-to products. So first I will take a spoolie and just brush my brows in place. Ayan, are you ready? And then just fill in my brows, I mean just the sparse areas. I'm in a hurry guys because Anvarjan has already started and we need to be there before they come. So that is why I'm rushing up. And also so many of you all have been asking me to show the detailed how I fill my brows. I will surely do a detailed video on that because according to me doing eyebrows is an art guys. Okay, so now that I've just filled the sparse areas, let me again take the spoolie and brush them in place. And on top of it I'm gonna apply the brow mascara. I will try and link this in the description because so many of you all kept asking me about these products. So yeah, I'm just going to apply the brow mascara. And for lips, I'm gonna use Renee's Fab 5, and this has become my go-to lip shade. I mean, because it has almost many shades, many nude and red, orange, everything. Yeah, now that I'm ready, let's go and pack the box. And probably I'll see you guys in the car. Yay!
So, I'm going to ask him soap.
Alright guys, so as Ayan had already told you, today we are out on a long drive. It's not just me, Prince and Ayan, but we also have tada, obviously my very own driver, Anvarjan. Say hi, love.
Hi, sorry. Hi.
And we have Aman here. Aman. Hi. And then you can see someone hiding behind Aman, where, yeah, there, that is Arbaz. And of course we have Roxy, who's actually excited but he's not camera friendly for now, so that is why he's sitting like that. Do you guys have something to say, Ayan and Prince?
Yeah, it should be asking soap.
Okay, their mama is calling. Okay, Ayan and Prince, do you have something to say?
Yeah.
What? Where are we going?
In asking soap. Yeah.
Prince, where are we going?
I think that.
No.
So basically we don't know where we are going, but the kids have decided that we're going to the ice cream store. We don't know where exactly we are going. Where are we going, Anvarjan?
I don't know. We are going somewhere where we can feel peaceful. And I don't think so we can. 1 second.
That's Ayan's mom calling, guys.
So
Hello?
very-
Can I ask him?
Okay, Kanna, very little, okay?
Okay.
Say thank you.
Okay, no choco chip wala. Choco chip ले रहना ice-cream में, okay?
Huh?
No choco chip, without choco chips.
Okay.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Love you.
Love you too, Mama.
I miss you, I miss you, I miss you, I miss you, baby.
Well, boring like
Prince say
Boring
salam.
है.
damn.
ठीक है.
सलाम कर रहे प्रिंस.
जल्दी से पूछने कॉल करें, हाँ?
प्रिंस सलाम कर रहे.
वालेकुम सलाम प्रिंस.
Assalamualaikum.
Say bye.
Bye.
मैंने क्या बोला?
Here, here.
समीरा.
हाँ
डैडी को ऐसे बोला कहते.
हाँ ठीक है. Bye. And say bye.
Bye. No.
Time पे बैठे. Wait. Okay. Prince. Good
Pizza
boy.
tasted.
Yeah.
Pizza so much.
Aman bhai also.
I'll
Prince also. Anvarjan also. Arbaz bhai also. So guys, we have come to our destination and we have come to... No, Kanama, wait. Anvarjan didn't ask us to get down, wait. We have come to... See here. Himayat Sagar. Where did we come? Himayat Sagar. But unfortunately, looks like the gates are closed. Not really sure. So we are still sitting in the car and waiting for Anvarjan to tell us to get down. Anvarjan, Roxy, Aman and Arbaz have already got down the car. That's Aman. And you can see Arbaz standing right there. And we are waiting for Anvarjan's approval to get down or no. As you can see, Anvarjan is right there and those are the gates, guys. He thought he will take us out on a walk to that place. But looks like it's shut and we are sitting in the car. Where are we? I just told you guys the name. Where are we? Himayat. Himayat Sagar. Yes, very good. Okay, what happened after we came here?
Close.
It's closed. Very sadly, it is closed. Are you people sad?
No.
Yeah or no?
Yeah.
No, let's not get sad. Let's be happy because
I
if
want
this
that.
is closed, we will go to a new place. Correct?
It's close.
Yeah, it's closed, so we are going to go to a new place. Where are we going next? Don't know.
Don't know.
I also don't know. Roxy, do you know where are we going? Roxy also doesn't know. By the way, guys, 4 rupees are sitting in the car and Anvarjan, Aman and Arbaz have gone out to have fish. So we get fried fish here at the Himayat Sagar's gate. So that is what they have gone to have. And we are waiting in the car because we are not interested in having fish here. Not at least outside, right? We don't eat outside food, right?
Yeah. Ice cream I want.
We eat only outside ice cream. We don't eat outside food, right?
Yeah, ice cream. Yeah. Ice cream?
Ice cream we eat.
I want ice cream.
Yeah, we'll go later. Ice cream.
I will.
Yes.
See?
Yeah. Guys, it's raining outside. And we aren't enjoying the weather because we are sitting in the car. We're just sitting in the car and not even enjoying the rain. Come like this. Prince, come this side and that side. And that side. Like this. Now you... Uh-oh, don't splash. The others are enjoying the rain. Shall we also go?
Yeah.
Get drenched in the rain?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
But what if you both catch cold? Your mammas will scold me.
Okay.
What about your mama? Will she scold me? Prince,
I can't call me.
she'll scold you. She'll not scold me. Huh? And your mama will scold you or me?
Me.
For you only. Nobody will scold me. Anwarjan will scold me. So let's not go outside. Let us sit in the
Car.
Yes, they are enjoying the weather, guys. They are like mesmerized with the rain, and that's how they're not showing interest in the car. Anwarjan is gone to get fish.
Where?
They're back. Guys, where are we? So we have come to Eskimos. I don't know how clear the audio is gonna be, but we have come to Eskimos here, and the three of us have got down the car. Let's go and see what we have to eat. Of course, I'm not eating though.
Do you miss me so much? I think back to who I was. I don't recognize those days, and I'm still thinking about you and how I miss you so much.
पहले एक वेनिला लेके दे दो, मैं रॉक सूप खिलाता हूँ गाड़ी में. What did you order?
Bye, Anwarjan. So Anwarjan is going to feed that vanilla ice cream for Roxy.
Thinking about you. Thinking about you. I'm thinking about you. Do you remember last year? The way we used to touch. And are you thinking about me? Do you miss me so much? I think back to who I was. I don't recognize.
Bye. Bye, Aman. Bye. Bye, Anwarjan.
Bye bye.
Get a water bottle, please. Thank you very much. We are finally back home, and Ayan is busy with his Kinder Joy. And stay tuned. So catch you guys in a while. So what do we have from Amazon?
Something.
Something. Shall we open?
Yeah.
Chalo, let's go and open that. So basically, I ordered something from Amazon. Stay tuned to know what it is.
Do you remember last year? The way
So guys, here's the final look of what I ordered. Ta-da, ta-da. So I just got these couch covers from Amazon. Aren't they looking beautiful?
I think back to who I was. I don't recognize those days, and I'm still thinking about you.
Alright guys, it is already 8:17 in the night, and Anne is already asleep, so I don't have anything much to film. And also you guys can see I'm working on a video. Actually, frankly, I'm not working. TJ is working for his video. I'm just giving you guys the build up as if I'm working. It's my chilling day, guys, because it's a weekend. I'm not working, but I had a plan for prank because it's the last weekend of me staying at my mom's place. I thought I should just let my sister be. Are you happy, Appa?
Yeah, thank you so much.
One second, I can't see you. Are you happy?
Very much. Thank you for considering me.
You're welcome. And what if I'll just prank you now?
You will not.
Why? Because the new couch cover. You'll never know. You'll never know.
मम्मी का है, पहले मम्मी देख लेना.
You'll never know. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Are you up for it?
Yeah, of course.
Is your husband up for it?
Yeah.
What if I'll prank him?
I will enjoy both.
What say Jiju?
I'm not going from this place.
So they both are playing safe because I just changed the couch covers. They both are playing safe and making sure that they don't get up from that place. Anyway guys, I was pranking them saying it's a prank. There's no prank. I'm ending this video right here. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed to their channel, which is Hyderabadi Beauty and Delhi Beast, please go and subscribe their channel. It will be linked in the I-bar and also in the description box down below. And not to forget, subscribe to my regional channels, my mother-in-law's channel, my sister-in-law's channel. I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Until I'll see you next. Lots of love.